Hi everyone, this is Raymond Lee from Raymond's Dental Solutions. Since ChatGPT appeared in late 2022, the world has changed, and dentistry is changing with it. Today, we will explore how AI is transforming dental offices, not just making them faster, but more human, more personal, and more wow. Let's begin. When ChatGPT launched in 2022, everything changed. For the first time, we could talk to AI naturally, like a colleague. Dentists started using it to write treatment explanation, blogs, patient letters, and even social media posts. Tasks that used to take hours now took minutes. That was the start of something big, AI as our daily assistant. It was not about replacing people. It was about amplifying creativity and communication inside the dental world. Then came 2023, the year AI learned to see, hear, and create. We call this the multimodal era. Suddenly, AI could generate dental visuals, explain procedures with images, and answer patient questions through voice or chat 24/7. For the first time, the virtual receptionist became real, booking appointments, confirming visits, and following up automatically. And for dental marketing, AI transformed clinics into storytelling studios where every before and after image, every message was beautifully crafted in seconds. By 2024, AI wasn't just a side tool, it became part of the daily workflow. In the front office, AI handled calls, reminders, and insurance verification. In the back, it helped detect caries, design smiles, and organize digital files. Even major software platforms like Dentistry and Open Dental started adding AI co-pilots, assistants that summarize charts, write referral letters, or recommend recall appointments. So now AI isn't just saving time, it's thinking with you. This was the turning point from AI as tool to AI as a coworker. Now in 2025, AI has become deeply human. It's not just about efficiency anymore, it's about empathy. Modern AI can recognize tone, detect emotion, and even respond with care. It reminds patients with empathy, translates in real time for non-English speakers, and personalizes every message according to patient history. Every department, from the front desk to hygiene to treatment, is now working toward one unified goal: super exceptional satisfaction, the wow experience. If we look at the big picture, AI evolution in dentistry followed a clear path. The journey of AI isn't about replacing humans. It's about restoring humanity in how we care for patients. When AI handles the routine, we as humans can finally focus on what matters most: listening, connecting, and inspiring trust. So, my friends, the future of dentistry is not just digital, it's deeply human. AI is the backstage assistant, but you, the dentist, the staff, the leader, you are still the face, the heart, and the emotion of the practice. Let's build dental businesses that combine intelligence and empathy, where every patient walks away saying, "Wow, that was different." Thank you for watching, and let's keep creating wow experience dentistry together.